Welcome back to Newswatch 12 this morning. We're going to check back in with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman. Matt, so what are some of the conditions we're going to be looking like? I know you mentioned that possible thunderstorm happening Wednesday, but we know the fair's happening on Wednesday as well. So what are things people could expect?
Well, the good news, no thunderstorm threat for the coast for the Curry County Fair. We'll take a look at that extended forecast in just a bit. This morning, we are looking at a lot of sunshine, some beautiful sunrises in Medford, Klamath Falls, and Wairika, but we're socked in with the marine layer in Brookings. I do expect those marine layer clouds to decrease, though, as we go throughout the day. Pretty comfortable temperatures out the door this morning if you're heading off to work. 55 in Klamath Falls, 62 in Medford and Montague, and we're in the 50s along the coast right now. 57 in Gold Beach and 54 degrees for you folks in Brookings. We have clear skies throughout southern Oregon and northern California, except with the marine layer along the coast. When it comes to air quality, good in the Rogue Valley, but unhealthy for sensitive groups as you head towards the basin, Klamath Falls, and into Tule Lake. Moderate air quality for Wairika and Mount Shasta. East of the Cascades, we will be seeing the biggest impacts from smoke continuing, especially as we head on into tonight. We'll get another surge from those fires up to the north, and that smoke will drift in to the Klamath Basin. There will be some spillover, at least some hazy conditions in the Rogue Valley. The good news is air quality looking pretty good out there this morning, but we could see some smoke passing on by as we go throughout the day today. We'll be tracking that closely. Along the coast, so it will be windy, gusts 30, maybe as much as 40 miles per hour, up to 65 today for Port Orford, 73 in Brookings. Down in Siskiyou County, it will still be pretty hot today. Temperatures making up into the upper 90s, a shot at 100 in Fort Jones and Etna, 98 in Mount Shasta. East of the Cascades, smoky sunshine. It will be a dry day. The thunderstorms mainly going to be east of Lake County today, up to 91 in Chiloquin, 95 in Klamath Falls, and getting up to 97 in Lakeview. Up into the Cascades, some smoke, haze, but ample sunshine. 86 in Prospect, getting up to 85 in Butte Falls and 83 for Lake of the Woods. And then taking a look at the forecast for the Rogue Valley, still not too terribly hot, kind of similar to yesterday, up to 87 in Grants Pass and Cave Junction, 89 in Ashland, and up to 94 today in Medford. Take a look at Stormcast as we go through the day. Lots of sunshine. You can see those storms to our east. And that'll be a similar story for Tuesday. There will be some higher level clouds that start to drift in later in the day, but once again, the thunderstorm threat mainly east of Lake County. We can't totally rule out a stray thunderstorm towards Lakeview, but the better chance for maybe some thunderstorms popping up mainly in Klamath Lake and Siskiyou County will be on Wednesday. We'll be watching that quite closely. Next few days for the basin. Quiet today and tomorrow, slight chance of a thunderstorm on Wednesday. Notice a bit of a cool down by Thursday. Today in the Rogue Valley, seasonal, but it's going to be hotter Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs pushing 100 degrees through the middle of the week. And then here's a look at the forecast for the Curry County Fair starting Wednesday. All in all, looking pretty pleasant. Winds will be blustery, and we should see some pretty sunny conditions, especially Thursday and Friday. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, those temperatures pretty pleasant. A great place to beat the heat as temperatures inland will crank up Tuesday and Wednesday into the triple digits in Northern California. Very hot weather. Slight chance of a thunderstorm on Wednesday. We'll also see that threat of a thunderstorm on the east side on Wednesday. Up in the mountains, looking for those temperatures to heat up a bit Tuesday, Wednesday, but a cool down late this week into this weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, temperatures seasonal today, much hotter Tuesday, Wednesday, but we get back closer to normal as we head towards late this week and into the weekend.